Hello students, welcome back to our economics class. Today's topic is from unit number 9. Unit number 9, that is money, banking and inflation. Like from this units we have discussed topics like functions of money, difficulties of barter system, primary and secondary functions of money, etc. So this topic is also related with the same unit, that is contingent, static and dynamic functions of money. The name of the topic is contingent, static and dynamic functions of money, which is very important topic as a 5 marks. So let us see what are the contingent functions of money. Measure and distribution of national income, like what all the activities we do, we measure it in terms of money. For example, if you go for buying vegetables, like if you are buying 1 kg of potatoes, the cost is 20 rupees. So kgs, that is vegetables, you are measuring in terms of money, that is 20 rupees. Imagine that you want to purchase milk. 1 liter milk cost 80 rupees. So here in order to purchase milk, again we are using money. Then third thing, whenever you drive any car or any sort of bike or vehicle, then you will be finding kilometers over there, right? For that again you are filling petrol, etc. Again you are using what? Money. So what all the activities we are doing in our day-to-day life, we measure it in terms of money only. Then coming to distribution, like whenever we give salaries to employees, that will be in terms of money. Whenever we give wages to the laborers, we give it in terms of money. Like whatever money one person is having, the same note he won't be having for all the time. That note will be exchanged, right? If I want to purchase a book from a stationery, I'll give money to the person and I'll get the book. And that person will use that money in different ways. Like if he is buying something for his children at home, then again he is paying money. That money goes to some third person. That third person may spend it in many ways. He may eat in a restaurant, and the person who is eating in the restaurant will pay that money to the fourth person, that is the restaurant person, whoever is sitting at the counter or the reception. That person may use that money into different purposes. So what is happening here? The money is flowing. It is distributed from different persons to different persons. So whatever the day-to-day activities are there, we measure it in terms of money, and the distribution is also done in the terms of money. National income means what? The income of the whole country. Income in the sense that is also money. So how do we calculate national income? That money is very important factor over here. What all the activities we do, we measure it and distribute it in terms of money, which is our first contingent function of money. Then coming to the second function, money equalizes the marginal utilities. Like in the barter system, we have discussed that a person who is 100% vegetarian and he is having rice. At that time money was not there, right, in barter system. So the person who is 100% vegetarian is having rice and he want to exchange it. He is in search of a person who can sell him dal or any sort of pulses. But unfortunately in the whole economy he did not find any person from which his want can match. He is only finding the persons who are selling goats, fishes, sheep, etc. These are all the non-vegetarian things, right? So can this 100% vegetarian person can exchange his good with a non-vegetarian person? Obviously not, because his want is not matching. When your want is not coinciding, you will not get satisfaction. What is the meaning of utility? Utility means the satisfying capacity. Alright, if I am not explaining well, then you won't get utility from my explanation. That means you are not getting satisfaction. But if I explain you very well, then you will be getting maximum satisfaction. Am I right? So, money is equalizing marginal utility means we are not facing any problems like barter system nowadays. If you want a book, you directly go to a address where stationery is located. You will just give the money and collect the book. It is very simple. Then second, if you want to buy vegetables, directly you will go to the vegetable market, you will give money and you will buy the vegetables. If you want to buy fish, you will go to fish market, you will give the money and you will get the fish. Alright, so what all the wants of a person are there that is easily satisfiable with the help of money. Like how much money you are paying, that much of satisfaction you are getting. Marginal means additional. For example, for everything, as the money and quality increase, the price will also increase. Am I right? For example, if you are going to a restaurant to eat so and so dish, okay, the so and so dish, let us take it as biryani, right? This is everyone's favorite. There are many qualities of many restaurants. Like if you go to low quality, you will be getting it just for 80 rupees. Okay, if you are going for a middle class, then you will be getting at something 100 or 120. If you are going to a very high class, you will get some 240 or 280. So what is happening here? You cannot say me that, madam, I have paid 80 rupees, but I am not getting satisfaction like the biryani of 240 rupees. Obviously, you will not get that much of satisfaction, because how much money is there, that much of satisfaction you will be getting. So, money is equals to your satisfaction. So, now I can tell you that money equalizes the marginal utilities. Marginal means additional, utility means satisfaction. So, second contingent function of money is it equalizes the marginal utilities. Coming to the third point, basis of credit. Credit means providing loans. Okay, bank will be providing loans. From which money? From where do we get? From where the bank will get the money in order to give the loans? Will it brings from separate fund, separate deposit? No. Whatever the money we common people are depositing in our accounts, that money it will be using to give the loans to the customers. Okay, whatever we common people, we are having saving deposits in our own banks. It may be SBI, it may be Andhra Bank, it may be any bank. We deposit some money every month or any time. So whatever we are depositing into bank, that money will be used to provide loans. Loans in the sense credit. Alright. So credit is created out from the primary deposits of money from the commercial banks. Commercial bank means all the various types of banks like SBI, then we have Andhra Bank, then we have Karur Vyasa Bank, then we have HDFC Bank. All the banks come under commercial banks. So credit is created out from commercial bank from the primary deposits of money. Means whatever money we deposit, loans will be taken out from that money only. Coming to last point, liquidity, very important term. This will be used in your commerce and accountancy subject also. The actual thing here is, the statement is money is highly liquid. I can say money is 100% liquid. Now, you might not have understood anything. Like, madam, you are saying money is liquid? How is it possible? It's not like money is in water form. It's not like that. In economics, commerce and accountancy terminology, the liquidity, meaning of liquidity is like when you convert something into money. the things which can be easily converted into money. For example, if I have a furniture at my house which is not used, so I want to sell it because I am in need of money. So what I'll do, I'll go and take the furniture and sell it, then it is converted into money. Imagine that I am having gold, okay. In order to sell this gold, I'll get money, okay. I am in a severe need of money because of some or the other reason. I have taken loan from someone and I need to repay it. So what I have done, I don't have enough money at my house to repay it. What I'll do, whatever the gold I am having, I'll go and sell the gold and convert it into money. So converting any asset into cash is called as liquidity. But will money require anything to convert? No, it is already in terms of money only, it is already in cash. So in this manner we say it, because of this reason we say is money is 100% liquid, means it need not to be converted into money again, because it is actual terms are in money only. Alright, coming to the second part, that is static functions. Contingent functions are done, let us go with the static functions. Like, hope you have remembered the primary and secondary functions of money. Like, these side headings are repeated over there also. Medium of exchange, store of value, measure of value, standard of deferred payments. All the same points are written over here. Then also I will just explain you once again. Medium of exchange means you can exchange any commodity with money. Then store of value, you can store money for unlimited period. Okay, if you just deposit into bank, after 10 years also your money will be in the same condition. So money is having store of value. Measure of value, you can measure any commodity in terms of money. Standard of deferred payments means whatever present transactions are there, you can repay it in future in terms of money. If I have taken 10,000 of loan from XYZ company and I have said that after 1 year I will repay your money, that means after 1 year I can pay the money. So money is having standard of deferred payments. These are all what? These static functions. What are the contingent functions? There are 4 functions. What are the static functions? There are 4 functions. Coming to the last part, dynamic functions of money. So the functions of money which influence the output, the consumption and the general price level are known as dynamic functions. Like, output is the final product. Alright, before manufacturing the marker there are number of steps. Okay, like the labeling, the company, which color they need to mention, okay, what is the name of the company, okay, how to give the design of this, etc. There are many steps and the final output is the finished marker. So output, consumption means number of persons who are consuming any of the commodity. Then general price level means what price is prevailing in the market. Alright, what for example, if you want to buy this marker, what is the general price of level of this marker? That is rupees 20 or 30, that is fixed. So what all the functions of money are there, it will influence the output, the consumption and the general price level are known as dynamic functions. So in today's class we have discussed 3 types of functions: contingent functions, static functions and dynamic functions of money, which is a 5 marks important topic. Hope I was pretty clear in explaining the topic, and also hope that you are noting down every point and practicing it daily. So see you in the next class with some more topic. Till that, stay healthy, stay home and give maximum time for practicing.